Windows 11's 24H2 update has officially dropped, and while many are rushing to get it, my journey with this update was anything but smooth. Initially, I wasn't too excited. For some reason, change does not excite me. But as a tech content creator, I had to dive in and get hands-on. That's when things took a turn. Every attempt to install was met with the update install error. It was frustrating, persistent, and honestly, a major headache. You may find out that clicking download and install multiple times to restart the process is futile. But don't worry. I pushed through, found solutions, and I'm here to share exactly what worked. Since I have encountered this problem on different computers, even before it affected my personal computer, I have a few solutions for you. The last one is the most reliable, but let's say it is also the most drastic. One of the most common reasons you might encounter an error while downloading the Windows 11 24H2 update is insufficient storage space. So, your first call should be creating space for the update. There are a few ways you can do this. Run Disk Cleanup. Open the Disk Cleanup tool by searching for it in the Start menu. Select your main drive, usually C, and check boxes like temporary files and previous Windows installations if applicable. Then, click OK. You may also uninstall and use programs, or clear the recycle bin. We also recommend turning on Storage Sense. This feature automates file cleaning on your computer. Now you may try installing the update again. Another effective fix for the Windows 11 24H2 update error is clearing out the temporary update files. When Windows downloads update files, it stores them in a folder called Software Distribution. If these files get corrupted or incomplete due to an interrupted download or a system glitch, the update process can fail. To clear the folder, you should open Command Prompt as an administrator and type the netstop command and hit Enter. Next, navigate to the Software Distribution folder and delete all the contents in this folder. Don't worry. These files will be recreated by Windows Update the next time it runs. Lastly, restart the Windows Update service by running the command displayed below on the command prompt. Another potential fix for the Windows 11 24H2 update issue involves running built-in installation repairs. Open the Settings app, click on System in the left panel, then scroll down and select Recovery on the right. Under Fix Problems using Windows Update, click on Reinstall Now. This option triggers Windows to re-download and repair your current update configuration. This method helps by addressing underlying issues within your current Windows Update setup, including corrupted files or incomplete installations. Running this repair effectively resets the update components and can correct errors that might be blocking the update. Once the process is complete, go ahead and try installing the Windows 11 24H2 update again. And finally, we come to the most effective solution: resetting Windows. This method is highly effective, but it's also the most time-consuming and will result in data loss if you're not careful. So, before you proceed, make sure to back up all your important files. Here's how to reset Windows. Open the Settings app, click on System in the left panel, then scroll down and select Recovery on the right. Click Reset PC and follow the prompts to choose your preferred reset option. Keep following the prompts, choosing the options that suit you the most. Once the process is complete and your system is back up, you can attempt the Windows 11 24H2 update again. Those are the top solutions for fixing the Windows 11 24H2 update download error. Let me know in the comments which solution worked best for you. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more guides and tech tips.